So automatic banking is here. It's fantastic, but there is occasionally a problem. Every once in a while, when you click onto the reconciling tab and it's automatically loading all your transactions now, you're seeing that it's loading transactions from way back in history, well beyond the last time you've reconciled. Now, these transactions should disappear. When they're all green and the end of day balances match, they should disappear. The problem is the end of day balance is not always matching. And it's a special circumstance that causes this. So if this is happening to you, it should only happen once when you first connect your account. But what's happening is sometimes your financial institution, your bank, is sending us an account balance that includes pending transactions. But it doesn't send us those pending transactions. So the balance includes those pending transactions. We don't have them, so we cannot line things up quite right. And so that throws off the balance that's in the reconciling tab. And unfortunately, there's no way around that except to do what I'm about to demonstrate, which is if you click on this gear icon at the top of the reconciling tab, that will open the bank connection setup tab. And the problem lies in this balance that we received from your financial institution. What you can do is just set this balance to a known correct balance from the past. Something like maybe 7 days ago or even a couple of weeks ago. In this case, I know that this account has actually been reconciled correctly. So the balances that I'm seeing in the past are correct. So I'm just going to pick a balance for now, since it's highlighted here with high contrast. I'm just going to pick the balance from October the 4th, which I can see here is 9465.89. And I'll set the date accordingly. So this is October the 4th. And as soon as I set that balance, when I save, now it's going to recalculate all the balances in the reconciling, and now it knows how to match them up correctly. So if you're experiencing the same problem, what I would recommend is doing this same thing. If you already have reconciled and you know a past balance date, then you can do what we just did here. If you don't have it reconciled in Calendar Budget, you may need to go to a bank statement if it's a credit card and just check for the last known good balance, which you should be able to get from your credit card statement or from your bank account. And just pick one from either the beginning of the last month. As long as it's within the last 30, 45 days or so, it should be fine. Any date will work as long as the balance matches on that date. And then we'll be able to align all the calculations that need to be done to power that reconciling assistant. So I hope that makes sense. It's a tricky situation that unfortunately, we can't get the correct data from the bank sometimes. So this is a one-time workaround to get it set correctly, and then moving forward, we'll be able to automatically calculate based on that correct balance moving forward. Thanks.